Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Friday, May 10th. Well, so far we've had a record week, new record high again yesterday, 1632 and a quarter in the E-mini S&P. Things did close lower though, 1624 and a half, down 4 points in that S&P. Dow futures were off 18 at 15,044, and the Nasdaq was off 4 points at 2958. As we've come to the end of earnings season for the S&P companies, not a whole lot of catalyst left for stocks as we stand right now. We had some action yesterday in the currencies. We had the dollar index up 93 points, rallied above that 82 pivot, and kept going. 82.88 is where the dollar index closed, and the euro currency closed at 130.19. Now, the euro currency has been trading between 130 and 132 for a month, so we'll look to see if that support at 130 can hold. The bond market drifted lower, down 7, 146.16. Crude oil was off a quarter at 96.39, and gold was off $5 at 14.69. So after another record-setting day, and so far a record-setting week, where do things stand up on this Friday morning to start a new trading day and end the trading week? Well, we're up 2 in the E-mini S&P at 1626. Again, the high above was 1632 and a quarter, not far off that. The Dow futures are up 35 at 15,079, and the Nasdaq's up 5 at 2963. The big action's happening in the currencies. The dollar index is blasted above 83. We're at 83.03 right now. 83.30 is the high from March. So we've gone from drifting below that 82 level to a lot of short covering and another rally here. The euro currency is at 130.07, down 12. Again, looking to see if that 130 support can hold. Big action happening in a lot of these financial markets today. The bonds are off 25 ticks right now at 145.22. That's pushed yield above 3.06% in the 30-year. 3% had been a resistance as far as yield goes. Now, bonds had been trading between 147, roughly 147, and 149 for the last 3 weeks. Had a false upside breakout last week, and now we're having a downside breakout here today that projects 145 for a 2-point move. Crude oil is off 88 cents at 95.51 in crude oil, and gold off $22 at 14.36. Gold is below that 14.45, 14.50 pivot area, so we'll want to see on a closing basis, see if it can close above 14 or at 14.45 to have this uptrend remain intact. Again, that is the midpoint support of the 1570 level where it sold off down to 13.20. So 14.45 is important to watch. So to wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the trading day. Right now we've got the E-mini S&P up 2 at 1626 and a half, Dow futures up 35, and we've got gold down $22 as we stand right now. I will see you early Monday for the stir in the markets to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.